Okay, wait, what were you guys?
It began, Kate Senishin and Lily LEMME say, as a passion project. It's turned into a nonprofit organization called Colorado Teens for Vaccines, whose mission is to get more COVID-19 shots into teenagers' arms.
Our ultimate goal is to organize the majority who already supports vaccination in hopes of perhaps convincing or helping other people who are hesitant about vaccines.
The high school seniors first met last year during a digital advocacy program and soon realized that social media could help address vaccine reluctance in general, COVID-19 in particular.
We aim a lot of our work towards trying to help teens talk to their parents about getting the vaccine, have real conversations, stop the arguments, stop the conflict.
They discovered early on what a Kaiser Family Foundation poll confirmed more recently, that more than half of all U.S. parents are opposed to their 12 to 17-year-old kids getting the vaccine or plan to wait and see. Through Instagram and their website, the group is using medical information and dialogue to try to clear up misconceptions surrounding the issue. A big hurdle for these teenagers is the fact that 40 states require parental consent for vaccination of minors under 18 years of age, which means many teens have to rely on their powers of persuasion.
And I think that's really important, just to be honest, to explain the facts, to even sit down with your pediatrician and your parents, or your doctor and your parents.
I think they're seeing a lot of the kids who aren't vaccinated feel helpless.
Lily's mom says the digital space is where this group will best get the word out.
And so figuring out how to work within that system, they are much more attuned to that than anyone who's a professional communications person, I would guess, is.
An influencer army, including 18-year-old singer Olivia Rodrigo, has been recruited to promote vaccines to an age group that's been relatively slow to get its shots.
TikTok influencers or any pop stars saying you should go get the vaccine. But we truly believe that there are other ways that teens are motivated other than that emotional aspect.
I think it's incredible.
Jamie D'Amico with the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment applauds the project for which she has served as mentor.
For these two teens to be doing the work that they're doing, I think is very influential, and they're having conversations, which I think is most important.
Colorado Teens for Vaccines hopes to create a playbook for other teenagers to create their own campaigns and vaccine drives and broaden their work to the HPV vaccine and others.
We want to get back to normal. All of our volunteers, we all suffered through online school, and it was pretty rough, and so we want to be able to have a healthy community.
By reaching out to their community the best way they know how. Hendrik, Sybrandy, CGTN, Denver.